Welcome, fellow nature enthusiasts, to this captivating journey into the realm of nature photography. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of capturing the beauty of the great outdoors through our lenses. Get ready to unlock your inner artist and take your wilderness exploration to a whole new level. Embrace the golden hour and take advantage of the soft, warm light during sunrise and sunset. It adds a magical touch to your photographs, making your subjects come alive. Find unique perspectives by experimenting with different angles and viewpoints. Get low to the ground, climb a tree, or even lie down to capture a fresh and captivating perspective. Pay attention to the background and ensure it doesn't distract from the beauty of your subject. Look for clean and uncluttered backgrounds that complement and enhance your focal point. Capture motion to add a sense of dynamism to your photos. Experiment with long exposures for dreamy waterfall shots or to capture the graceful movement of wildlife in action. Use leading lines to guide the viewer's eye and create a sense of depth and dimension in your photographs. Incorporate natural elements like paths, rivers, or tree branches for added visual interest. Don't forget to zoom in and capture the intricate details of nature. Showcase patterns, textures, and delicate flora and fauna to reveal the beauty and intricacy up close. Experiment with different lenses and discover their unique qualities and effects. From wide-angle lenses for expansive landscapes to telephoto lenses for capturing wildlife from a distance, explore the versatility of your gear to tell your story. Utilize natural elements like water reflections, shadows, or sunlight beams to add drama and interest to your photographs. Remember to be patient and observant. Nature has its own rhythm and surprises. Take the time to observe, study, and anticipate moments of magic that unfold before your eyes. Patience and keen observation are key to capturing those extraordinary shots. Add a human element to your nature photographs to infuse a sense of scale and storytelling. Including people in your frames adds a personal touch and allows viewers to connect with the scene on a deeper level. Experiment with filters to enhance your images. Polarizing filters reduce glare and enhance colors, while neutral density filters create long exposure effects. Follow the rule of thirds to create visually pleasing compositions. Divide your frame into thirds horizontally and vertically, and place your main subject at the intersection points. It adds balance and interest to your photos. Take advantage of the weather and lighting conditions. Rain, fog, or mist can create a moody and atmospheric atmosphere in your photographs. Cloudy days offer soft, diffused light that is ideal for capturing details and textures. Don't shy away from shooting in challenging conditions. They can lead to unique and memorable shots. Explore different perspectives by experimenting with different focal lengths. Wide-angle lenses capture the grandeur of vast landscapes, while macro lenses allow you to focus on the tiniest details of flora and fauna. Be prepared for unexpected moments and keep your camera easily accessible. Nature often presents fleeting opportunities, and being ready to capture them can result in extraordinary photographs. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path and explore lesser-known locations. There is beauty to be found in hidden gems and untouched wilderness. Research and plan your shoots in advance, but also be open to spontaneous adventures and unexpected discoveries. Finally, let your creativity flow and explore the endless possibilities that nature photography offers. Don't be afraid to experiment with unconventional perspectives and compositions. Remember, the beauty of nature awaits, so grab your camera and immerse yourself in its splendor. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of nature photography tips. We hope these insights inspire you to capture the beauty of the great outdoors in unique and compelling ways. Now, go out there and create your own visual masterpieces. And if you're looking for quality photography gear, be sure to check out the shop below for our recommended products. Happy shooting!